The second functions of C language handling is a input functions. Clear? So you people are familiar with the word input. Input means to feed data into a computer through our input devices like a keyboard. In C language, for input we use following functions through which we will feed the data through these statements. The first one is scanf, get characters, gets, get ch, gets. But now your book has been revised, and in this new editions, only scanf is there. Topic statements. So we will get only this statement. The rest will be skipped. Scanf. The scanf functions is used to get values into a variables from keyboard during the execution of the programs. When you have made the some programs in which you will take two variables a comma b, and then the value of these two variables we have saved in some variables, right? So when you have run it, you will assign the value of a and b. Okay, so during the execution of the programs, these statements will be worked. Syntax scanf. I'm repeating again. The small word you must be write in small letters, and the capital word you must be write in the capital words. Otherwise, the syntax errors will be occur. Clear? Scanf is a reserved word and used for input, small bracket, control underscore string, comma, and list of variables. Bracket close. And this statement is also
बात सुने
जी
ये तो कंट्रोल, ये लिस्ट ऑफ वेरिएबल है, इसके अंदर हम लोगों ने कोई सा भी वेरिएबल लिखना होता है
या
और कंट्रोल इसमें कंट्रोल स्ट्रिंग में
वेट ठीक है
ठीक है
list of variables and bracket close, and each statement must be terminated with semicolons. Clear? Explanations of the syntax. The control strings consist of text, the format specifiers. Clear? Text means specifying the message that is to be printed along with the values. Clear? Format specifiers specifies the format according to which a value is to be printed. Okay, like %d. %d is a format specifier in which the values will be assigned. Clear? For a %f used for the floating points. The next second part is list of variables. The list of variables consists of list of variables separated by commas into which the values are to be entered. This is the same syntax almost like a output, but their control string is list of arguments, but in the input statements is the control strings list of variables. And this symbol is used in scanf before the name of the variables to which a value is to be entered. Suppose you will write a, so before writing the a, you will add this symbol. Look the example. scan f with the inverted commas, percentage d is a format specifiers, and before the variable name a, you will write the symbol a. Clear? And here is the a is a variable and b is also the variable names, and before writing the variable names you must write the and symbols. Clear? And the values of a will be assigned the first form in the first format specifiers. The first variables will be the value of first variables. The first format specifier has the value of first variables, and the second format specifier has the value of second format specifiers. ठीक है? And a values will be assigned here, and the value b will be assigned over there. ये आपका टॉपिक ही नहीं है. Okay.